Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ori, and 2 weeks now I've been working on a small project. I wanted to practice my Unity skills, so I decided to remake an old mobile game I used to play on an iPod Touch. For all of you who don't recognize the gameplay being shown, this is Zombieville USA, developed by Remaking Mobile and published in 2009. It made me nostalgic playing the game, so to show my respect to the developer of Remaking Mobile, I will remake their game, which in my opinion sent their careers to the moon. This is just one of many devlogs I will be doing and currently have 2 hours of footage, which I will speed up. Most of the time was my dumbass trying to figure out why sprites were not working as a button input. I found out an hour later that they had to be UI images. Anyways, the first thing I did was make a Unity project and create a Trello to-do list to keep things organized of what and when I get them done. I then went online to find models, but I couldn't find anything, so I just stole it from a previous project I work on, and boom, we have a player. Let's call him Jimmy. I added bones to Jimmy so it would be easier to animate later, and added buttons to shoot a variety of weapons. Me being the god developer I am, I granted Jimmy the ability to walk, but only left and right. Next, I added a parallax background so I don't have to duplicate the same image over and over again. This is all I have so far. It's the bare minimum, but it's a good foundation. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate everybody who clicked on this video. I'm trying my best to keep this content as educational as well as entertaining, so if you enjoyed, just comment down below. I love reading your comments over looking at a number of subscribers and likes, because those are just numbers. Your comments are really what makes me continue to do this. Thanks for all the support, and I will see you all real soon. Stay safe.